So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video as promised. In this video I'm about to show you guys is how you can upload and install your PHP script file properly. A lot of people has been uploading and uploading it because it's when you upload it properly, that is when you can install properly, right? So a lot of people has been uploading wrongly and they always have issue trying to contact the technician, always. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can properly upload a PHP script and how you can have it installed. So stay right tuned as we do that right now in this video. So if you love what we're doing, ensure you're subscribed to WebManager..NG channel on all social media platforms, and ensure you reach out by getting your hosting and your domain from this exact company. I have been using them for a couple of years right now, and their services are so fantastic. The live chat responsive, the hosting top notch, the domain and the pricing, everything is fair. So it's my highly recommended hosting company for now. So I'm going to show you how you can do all of those that have been mentioned easily. So first of all, you have to log in, right? You actually have to log in. As you can see, I have a lot of accounts on this site to show an exemplary proof, right? Okay, so I'm going to just click on this login. So it's going to take me to the do login page. Okay, I'm already logged in. So I'll come right here and click on services, then I'll click on right here, then I'll go to my cPanel right here. So once I'm in my cPanel, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the development aspect. So first of all, you're going to head on to your file manager, right? Then so if you're doing this for the first time, that means the domain you bought is the primary domain on the hosting plan. All what you'll be working on will be in your public_HTML, this right here that is hovered on. All that you'll be doing will be what? In your public_HTML. A lot of people are just uploading it outside public_HTML and it will not be accessed. Your project will not be accessed because it reads the primary domain from the public_HTML. So it's standing as your domain name, right? So now I'm clicked on it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit on this upload button. I'm going to upload my PHP script file. So let's do that real quick. So you click on select right here, and let me just look for where I have them. Let me just take this one right here. So your file is going to be uploading. So you're going to wait until it becomes green. Once the progress bar becomes reach 100%, you're still going to wait until the progress blue bar becomes what? Green. So at the same time, ensure you follow us on all our social media platforms. We are the best hosting, best bulletproof hosting right now in Nigeria. Okay, so let's wait. So if your network is slow, you can just grab a glass of juice and make yourself happy. Alright, so let's wait as we see this load up. You see, so I'm gonna wait until it becomes green. That is when it is completely uploaded. Right now it is still getting all these dependencies, if I may say. So we're still waiting for it to become green. So very soon it's become green. So this is really getting me. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's now green. So we're going to click on go back. So right here is our file, then you click on it and you right click and you click on extract. So we're going to extract this, and I'm going to show you guys how you can have your site up live and running. So there are plenty things we're going to do, but just stay tuned as we get off with this. So you're going to select everything. That means, let me explain what this is. Now I don't want my site to be in any folder, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, there are some files that are missing. So you come right here to your top right where it shows settings. As you can see my mouse, you got to follow my mouse, you click on it, then you're going to click on show hidden files. What did I say? Show hidden file, which are the docked files. So once I click on it, I'm going to click on save, and it's going to bring out some, which is my .htaccess. This .htaccess is a function that makes your site very responsive and have all the dependencies installed. Okay, so you're going to click on select all, and we're going to move it out of the folder because we want it to be directly on our domain. So we come right here and click on move files, and our files has been moved. So next we're going to do is we're just going to browse our file straight away. So ignore all of these that are already existing, they are actually useless. Let me just delete it so that you don't get confused. This one also is useless, right? This one also is useless, but I'm just going to leave it because I met it there. Is a WordPress file. The WordPress was installed into that folder, so I don't know the person want to use it. I'm just going to leave it. So since it's in the folder, it's inaccessible right now. So I'll go right here and browse my domain. So I'm browsing my domain now. So it's going to prompt me to the installation wizard, and I'm going to say okay. Let's say I click on agree and next step.